What is up, y'all? It is Clue, and we are back with another video. And if this video goes the way that it's supposed to, it's gonna be a good one. I promise y'all. Well, at least I hope. So today we are in the E92. If you know this car, it's my upgraded turbos E92. I don't know what's going on with my dash. Like, please don't pay that any mind. Anyways, I wanted to bring the car out tonight to Mexico with a couple of the boys and get some content, you know, see what the car could do, because it makes a little bit of power. It's tuned by CD919. Shout out to him for tuning the car. Yeah, and the car is FBO, I'm gonna say FBO Plus. This is my way of calling it. And yeah, I just wanted to bring it out and see what it could do tonight. But before that, the car's having a little issue. And when I be driving it, and like, say if I get, what's the word I'm looking for? If I throttle in too quick and the boost comes in too quick, I start to miss. So turbo noises get me every time, son. I can't lie. I can't lie, bro. I can't lie. I'm gonna see if I can situate that now before I go out tonight, so I don't have that issue. And I'm gonna drive the car around the block and see if I can get it to start misfiring right now. And then I'm gonna show y'all what's up. Holy, well, it's not breaking up. I'll tell you that. Okay. There was two kids on the side telling me to go, but it just broke up, and I think check engine light came on for it, so I'm about to go on my phone and show y'all what's up. Yeah, it's doing it. The backfire is critical though. But yeah, now we gotta dive into the issue. Yep, you see? Gotta dive into the issue and see what's up. Lord, I got a scroll of issues on this friggin' thing here. Oh, jeez. After going through the stuff, the logs and whatever, I'm confirming that it's a cylinder 2 misfire, so I'm gonna swap out a coil pack. I don't have a spark plug right now, and I'm gonna swap out an injector if swapping the coil pack doesn't fix it. Pretty sure it's one of those two, because I got fresh coil pack, fresh spark plugs in there, so I'm pretty sure it's a coil pack or an injector, and we're gonna call it George. Nope. I think I got the codes fully cleared now, so let's see. Oh, it's back. So it's been a couple of hours. I swapped out cylinder 2 coil pack, and now I'm on my way to my local E85 station to get some gas, because the tank is still pretty low. Like, that's misfire at low level tank, whatever that code is, worthy. So I'm about to go get gas, and then I'm gonna go pick up my boy Ra, and then we are going to be out to Mexico. Tune back in a few. It's that good old E, baby. And then my gas cap done made it all the way over there. Made it to the spot that I told niggas to link up at. I told niggas to link up at for 12 o'clock. What time is it, Rod? It's like 1 o'clock now. But we here. I think I ironed out all the bugs in this friggin' car. Got my man's Rod. And I got one of my boy Josh's mans out here, waiting for Josh to pull up, and then we're gonna hit the highway and see where I'm going. Please no misfiring. This shit is notorious for this goddamn misfire. What you saying, if this shit start acting up again on the laptop? Since I can't hold the driver's seat, bro. Nice. Alright. So bro has a S52 turbo E36 vert. My shit is gonna super start acting up. I'm not gonna be able to do shit against this. Nah, this is nice though, bro. Unopened block? So it's Bill Block. It's 1:30, bro.
What are we doing, bro?
It's 1:30, bro. You signed me up to get Gap, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. No.
Stop the cap.
What's wrong with it? Tyrod or something?
What this?
Yeah.
Something?
That's some corny nigga shit like that.
What the fuck?
I was thinking about a bunch of things that are wrong with it, but the main thing is that my strut bolt in the back came out one day while I was driving and just like fell out. And then it ripped all the threads out.
That is really funny though.
It ripped all the threads out, you know, and there was no way for me to drill through like the cast iron spindle. Like I needed like a mill to drill through it. I wasn't taking no turning on back up. So I just welded the bolt to the coilover to the trailing arm in one piece. And you know how that shit is supposed to move like on a spherical bushing?
Mm-hmm.
That shit don't move at all. That shit's locked.
Alright, we just sat down in the car. Everybody is rolling out. Car, don't let me down, bro.
Yo, let's go back. I'm misfiring.
Typical BMW fashion. Hazards on. Shit misfiring. Shit farting.
Miss him.
I missed it. Alright. Try to go to Mirror, man.
Yo,
Yeah.
we're gonna post up in the middle, alright?
Alright. Make sure, yo, I need a sideways video for YouTube.
Why?
Me and Lawrence are gonna pull up. We're gonna pull up over there.
Alright.
And I guess Rod, give me a call when y'all ready to run.
Alright, bet.
Alright, bye.
Yo, listen. You trying to roast me, bro? I'm just trying to make content, yo.
Yo, the man say him need a sideways video for YouTube. Why too?
Boys just pulled up and they brushing niggas up. So I'm about to wait for them to drive off before I even move from here. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because they all the way down there. So I'm gonna wait for them to move.
Yeah, I know they about to come to you next. For real. Huh? I said, I know they's about to come to you next.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I just pulled up, bro. He's like, yo, everyone needs a tow. I'm like, yeah, I guess I can't vouch for anybody besides for myself.
Literally.
He's like, oh, I'm gonna go over there and see if he needs a tow too. I'm like, I don't know, like, where's the safest place I can leave it at? He's like, oh, towing company. I'm like, okay, yeah, sure. And he just sped off. I'm like, yo, there's no way everyone just said that. Just
Then he pulled up. We were like, nah, the shit just broke down. He was like, you sure? We
yeah,
were like,
Josh called me. He's like, yo, is that a cop on the other side? I'm like, I don't know. I was looking behind me. I was gonna go film at the line, and then obviously you guys said you guys are broken down.
All right, we out of here before more cops come, bro.
Yo, yeah, we out.
Run is canceled. Boys pulled up on us, pulled this man over. Now apparently we got blue and whites shutting shit down.
Yeah, there's
Probably
blue and
checkpoints
whites down
for
there
us.
at the end where we came off. We didn't drive straight though. We made the left, so.
Good man, smart man. But he said he's getting up out of here because he got no papers on that car.
Okay.
Yeah, I heard he took you to Gap Town, man.
Bro, we didn't have no structure on what the hell was going down, bro.
I thought y'all about to do like a 40 roll or some shit.
Bro, we had no structure on what was going down. The GoPro footage is gonna see what happened, bro. But unfortunately, night is done. Cops is always spoiling shit. Bro, I don't even know, bro. We did 2 pulls, bro. Cops was already there, like, so ready to set up a checkpoint and all that already. But we did shit mad unstructured. This is the first time that we really did some shit like this, so we're gonna figure it out. And then for certain, this is not gonna be the last. Car will be back outside. Hopefully I'll be outside with E36. Hopefully Rob will be outside with something.
Probably not.
Nah, he's chatting, bro. Don't worry, chat. He soon gotta be. Don't worry. But this is the end of the video. Y'all like, please like, comment, subscribe. Turn the post notifications on. We're gonna continue posting. Year is almost over. It's Q4 right now, so we gotta continue to lock in, bro. Lock in, y'all. Lock in. See y'all in the next one. Peace.